In front of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and click on it. Then select close in the pop-up, and as you can see, location is now off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on location over here. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!